Okay, so this is my games production assignment. Okay, I'll stop. Uh, okay, so there are 4 characters to pick from. They're all like time travelers.
Okay.
Um, this one's probably the easiest one to start with, so I'll just say that.
Oh, that's so cool.
It's sort of the easiest to explain.
Okay.
So when you press the button, it selects a random level.
Okay. Oh wow, this looks even better than when I saw it last.
Yeah.
You really have worked on this. I underestimated your powers.
Okay, so maybe I should explain for the viewers.
No! Okay, sorry, carry on.
We are controlling these sprites, and we have our past selves that follow us. And if we push one of the buttons, we go back in time.
So like that?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that was weird. Okay, sorry, that was me messing around.
These clocks at the bottom, when they reach that point, you're going to start slowing down in time.
Oh wow.
And basically, if you move in time, you can move the clock forward and back. So the idea is you want to avoid getting in that bit because you'll be super vulnerable to the other person and they will be able to shoot. So
how do you shoot people? I want to shoot you. Oh wait, you can't just do it and then not tell me how to do it. That's mean.
It's NMM.
Oh right. So when you said we're playing with those buttons, that's kind of what you meant. It's just N for me, by the way. It's not M. Oh.
Yeah, you won.
Oh.
Good job.
Oh, thanks for that. I wonder how that happened.
Okay, so I'll quickly just show.
So what's the warlock? What's that all about?
Do you want to be the warlock and I'll be something else?
Yeah, right then.
Okay, so the warlock is like. So it looks a bit like a penguin, but
Okay.
the idea is you can control your future self
what?
and you move towards
no.
the future.
This is so confusing. Okay.
So when you push the button, you'll go into the future.
Okay. Oh, I'm already messing up. Okay. Oh wait, what? Okay. No.
Also, because these 2 characters are designed so that they're, instead of fighting like the real persons, they attack the past selves.
Okay.
So you gotta try and attack the past self with your real self. It's a little tricky to use the warlock.
I'm just kind of stuck on this. One sec. No! Took me ages to work that out.
I'm over here now. Sure.
Oh, no! Oh, it looks really cool. I'm just not the smartest at this type of thing.
Do you want me to reset it?
No. I will defeat you.
I was just going to show a couple more levels and then.
Alright.
Because we've still got one more character to show. Okay, so this is the last one. Do you want to pick something else? Or?
I think Gambler's the last one.
No, Gambler is the guy with the sword and the hat.
Oh.
This random generator is not as random as I was anticipating.
You sure you want to leave that recording in for your assignment tutor to hit?
I feel like I'm just really unlucky because it worked when I was testing.
Oh, we can always go again if you want to record better audio. Like, oh, I'm so confident in this game. This is exactly how I thought it would turn out.
No, it's just I'm very unlucky. So this guy is a future person.
I love how the future person looks exactly like Rick from Rick and Morty.
Oh, that's yeah, I did take a little inspiration.
A little, really?
Just a teeny weeny bit.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, one of us won. I'm not sure who. Okay. Thank you very much.